Damn gourmet this shit.
Eating beef short ribs tonight.
All right, y'all, so we just made it into Groveland. It is hot as shit. We're waiting for Duck right now at this market. We're gonna stop by, grab some supplies. I think the next stop is the campsite. But yeah, we're gonna go in, get some beer, get some food, and then hopefully get to the lake in time for swimming, huh? Oh, there we go, there we go. He's swimming already.
Swimming already, can't wait. Oh, jeez.
Oh, it's hot. Very hot.
Ice cream for everybody.
Oh.
Need it.
Well. Look who we have here. He made it. Woo. Gas. Gas leaking.
There's a fucking animal, bro. With the tire like that?
Fucking guy, dude.
Bro. You fucking animal,
Fucking,
bro.
dude, some guy just pulled out. He sees me coming, he just pulls out, and I fucking went into the left lane. Another car was close.
Oh shit,
dude. Just right here, dude. Oh, dude.
Fucking beast, bro. Like somebody you made it, man. So, dude.
Hey, bust it. Oh, dude, I went through hell and shit, dude.
It's always nice when a member rejoin the group.
First, got to the gas station, my fucking starter cable fucking fell off. And fucking while I was riding, my fucking clutch cable fucking came off. Your peg came off? Yeah, my peg came off.
Alright, finally got to camp. Took forever. We got on the road at what, 7:30?
Huh?
7:30? What time is it right now?
It's 7:43.
God damn. 12 hours.
12 hours on the road with
Fucking
me
made
and
it,
my
dude.
friends.
I'm glad you made it, dude.
Fucking made it.
Glad you made it.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Made it, dude.
I made it.
Fucking tired.
For me, because I'm hella bit tall and shit.
We're gonna set up camp. Getting super dark.
Which one? All this, right?
Yeah. All right, we're going to buy some firewood because we need some fire. It's dark as hell.
Where's Boot?
What?
I have no fucking crank on my reel.
What? It fell out?
On the ride.
Oh, God.
All right, we found the firewood.
And we got groceries.
We got water. Two's enough?
Yeah, that's enough water.
I mean, no, firewood.
Yeah.
Blockception.
Fire up in here, it's burning hot. We on fire.
What is that, Wendy's? You guys had fucking Wendy's?
Dang.
Yeah,
Wendy's?
I pulled it out of my pocket, bro. It's fire. You expect that?
It's fire, fool.
It's hotter in California.
It's hotter in California. Today's Light is sponsored by Harbor Freight. For just $9.99, you can own this headlamp.
Oh, Terrence, look at this.
What's that?
Thanks.
Oh.
This guy's doing
Filipino
some,
rice?
some legit stuff. I see some greens. Look at this stuff.
Probably need to bring anything extra ass.
What are you talking about? I'm eating cup of noodle, okay? There's a Hello Kitty cup of noodle.
Noodle gang, man.
Damn, gourmet this shit.
Eating beef short ribs tonight.
This man got them hot dogs. I got the hot dog buns. Hot dog brand. Hot dog brand.
I'll do that trick. Do your trick with your hot dog.
Now all 8. Glizzy.
How's that, Calby?
Look at this fucking chef, bro.
Pre-marinated? In the bag?
Yeah, pre-marinated in the bag.
Hey, chopsticks are limited, okay? Sure.
Oh, I'm putting this one in my bag. I'm keeping it forever,
All
bro.
fingers tonight, though. Finger foods. Drink that, he says.
I can't even see anyway.
Hey, tell Alvin, gotta let me borrow his charger, man.
It's top secret.
Hey, man, you gotta share, bro. God, you hogging all that. God damn, man.
I'm trying to help you.
Oh.
You have
Put
a
it in my
problem.
nose.
It doesn't fit on that.
Glizzies.
Should probably last a while, huh?
Yeah, that was
Little one. Do the trick. Hurry, hurry. Hurry. Show everybody.
Yet.
Show everybody.
It's not even cooked yet.
Damn, we got short. Oh, it's starting to burn.
You got signal here? Let me see one right now.
All right, what we're cooking tonight?
We got that cup of noodle stir fry. Wait, Young, show him your cup of noodle though. This is the best. This is the best.
This is gourmet or what?
This one's gourmet, dude. Check this out. Cup noodle stir fry,
Yeah.
hot chili.
Look up. There you go.
Look at that.
Hold on, let me get some. Wait on.
Like
Don't
that?
get yours too bright. It's like blown out.
What about now?
Yeah, that's better.
So I got this stir fry right here. Hot garlic chicken flavor.
Oh damn!
No added MSG. I want the MSG. They fucked up. All right, Young, show him yours. Show him yours.
I don't know how he knew I liked this, but he read my mind, I guess. And then
What's that? I can't even see. Dude.
Hello
Hold on.
Kitty.
What flavor is that? Spicy noodle soup.
fucking-
This is from like Japan.
Kitty flavor, bro.
It's from like Japan or some shit.
Damn.
And
JDM.
some Vienna sausages to go on with it. He said, I do
Damn,
feed my
gourmet.
dog. At the beginning of the trip, everybody was, why did you bring chopstick for? Oh, you guys making noodles? You guys are gonna eat it with.
Hey, what's up, man?
You guys ever had this before?
used to eating like fucking beans.
We used to eating hot dogs with no ketchup.
Fuck yeah, bro. This shit flavor, dog.
That's where it's gonna make up for the
Damn, bro, let me get one of those sausages, bro. Shit, man.
You want sausage? You want sausage?
You want hot dog?
I'll get the big sausage now.
This shit's about to like go up in flames.
Oh no!
Yeah, let's
I like people that
ASMR, dude.
go all out.
ASMR. Hold on, let's control this fire first.
Banana ketchup?
Fuck you, then.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
Do you like Charlie spaghetti?
It's okay. I think I can make it better than that. Yeah. Hey, don't get you.
Wait, do you put hot dogs in it though?
Dude, look, this man's cooking some fucking Calbee. You know what hog eating? Hot dogs. You know what I'm eating? Fucking cup of noodle with Vienna sausages.
Hot dog.
Put that light.
Nah, it's too blown out.
Oh, it's blown out. Yeah. The contrast.
Fuck, first meal. Second.
Not good.
That's smart, dude. Dipping it.
We're gonna have to make that better.
Oh, boy! Hot dog board.
Damn, son. The buns. The fucking buns.
Okay, we'll let it soak in there for a little bit.
Yeah.
Watch out, 'cause
Dip the sandwich in the hot dog water.
Who's eating dry noodle? There's no broth in there, huh?
He likes it dry.
Broth.
Oh.
You like dry noodles.
That's what you are looking for, man.
Oh man.
Oh, can I dip?
Look at Elda.
You try it?
I haven't tried it yet.
Same here.
Where? The wind masala where?
Lions and bears.
All the meats are good. The pre-marinated meats are really good.
Oh.
The Kalbi.
These things are gonna be so nice. I think your glizzies are best. So nice.
Alright, grab your bun.
What the hell?
What? The bun.
That's cool.
You never seen a mountain house?
Hey, don't look over here. Don't look over here.
Does Brian buy that?
It's too bite, yeah.
Don't look. Okay, should I lower it? Here,
Yeah.
How about that?
Mountain House.
Is that cool?
Tell blown
Oh,
out.
what flavor is that, Dennis?
Chili mac and beef.
Oh, chili mac's the best, one of the best ones.
Here's the bun.
Never taste.
Brian started eating. Put some hot water in there, forget about it for a while, and then it's gonna be juicy.
Salamat.
I don't mind.
Oh, who's this?
Hell yeah.
You should eat first, Alvin. You gotta cook.
Yeah,
man, you first.
You want noodles?
Fuck
too?
everybody else, dude.
You want a couple
I don't
noodles?
know about you.
No, hook me up with a hot dog, and then you're an extra hot dog.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Damn, talking that shit, bro.
And then grab that, and then I'm gonna throw this
Set up.
shit on.
Set up.
How's it?
Set up.
Syrup. Hella syrup.
What's wrap? Means good. Like tasty. Set up.
Gotta put it on here, because if I put it on over there,
Make sure someone takes
You've been that steel sponge to fucking clean the pot?
I brought a
Short rib. First time having short rib.
brush.
First time having short rib.
I count.
Is it better than the burnt chili that we had last time?
Oh, nothing beats that with the plastic. The melted plastic.
What you gotta talk about the chili, bro? It's not really mac and cheese, though. It's like better than mac to me.
No, it's chili mac. The stroganoff is good too. I like the
Oh,
stroganoff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The lasagna's okay.
That's what's in there.
Although,
okay.
no, the Indian
But
one.
it does.
You know what's good?
The chicken salad.
Yeah. Oh, that's that one.
Damn, Dennis
always
tastes like hella good.
No, but this is it's good because then it's
But package has like 7.
Hey, sponsor us.
They make a blueberry
See the brand.
one.
That's that shit you eat in space.
I only bought the
How many
breakfast
calories
scramble
is
and then I
No,
brought
dude,
Mountain House.
they feel
Breakfast scramble's cool.
Yeah, I eat Mountain House, but we're all over here eating fucking couple noodles. We're eating a couple noodles, guy eating Mountain House.
We can cold hot dogs.
I can't even eat, dude. I'm so fucking racked out.
You know how expensive Mountain House is, bro?
Somebody else eat.
It is.
I'm like now hungry.
It's like $7.
hard to get now.
$7 a meal.
No way.
But it's 2 servings though.
Yeah.
You gotta remember, it's 2 servings.
this morning.
Really?
So it's good for 2 people.
How much were those?
You're cheap, man.
They were cheap.
When we bought when I bought mine, it was like $7 a pop, dude.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
bought
that's
mine
what they
from
normally
Walmart.
are.
I bought mine from
All Mac.
Right, man.
All Mac. All Mac.
Yeah, you got green onions too?
Huh?
Shit, did you bring rice?
I did bring rice. You got bonchon? I'm Filipino, bro.
You got chicken nuggets there too, bro?
Oh, let me see what I got. Pull it out of my back pocket.
Hey, dog, you got the pho? You got it tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I've been boiling this shit since I left Daly City.
I can go into town. Number 45, 46. All meat awesome, dude.
I love eating onions and vinegar. I got some seasoning.
If you like vinegar, you're Filipino.
Some buttery garlic seasoning.
Crazy. Turn it off real quick and turn back on.
Man, dog.
Shit, you trying to sell it to my soul or
That's hella sick, dude. How much was it?
$10.
Damn.
What's that, dude?
Hey,
You trying to sell this and shit?
My shit was $10 too, alright?
Bam.
Oh
Yeah,
shit.
it's got the spotlight too.
Got the spotlight.
Hey, sponsor us.
Does it have the fucking synchronization too?
So I got the spotlight. If I
Like
only
the
want
music?
spotlight.
Alright, good morning, y'all. We got into camp hella late last night. So we set up, drank, ate some food, but
Morning, dude.
Early bird gets the worm.
Early bird, get the peaceful shit.
I've been thinking about your bike this whole time too.
Me too. I'm gonna remove
I have a
the
friend that works in a shop in Auburn.
Auburn. You think it's open?
The reason why he couldn't go on this trip was because he said he had work. So, but that's in Auburn. And if I don't know if Buddy's gonna meet up with us, but I know he's got an Evo chopper, and he might have some parts. So if he's able to meet up with us, maybe he'll bring us regulator.
Sick. Weather's nice. This is our setup right here.
Morning
What's up, Aquaman?
What's up, dude? I think we should go back the way that we planned on going.
What's the worst case scenario? Run out of gas?
I don't think we're gonna do it.
All right, so a little update with my bike. The regulator is pretty much fucked, so it's overcharging the battery. So we're trying to find a new regulator. But other than that, it's pretty cool. And over here we have Terrence's bike. He met up with us yesterday. We rode from Bakersfield. Dennis didn't want his bike to be alone, so he slept with it just last night. You know, keep it company and shit.
I had room for alcohol, but I brought tents.
Over here we got the hammock boy. He's sleeping naked right now too.
Pervert.
Damn, new setup, dog. Shit. This new setup has a bug protector, I guess. What's it called?
Mosquito net.
Mosquito net. There you go. Don't get bit. Over here we got Dallas setup. Pretty cool setup. Nice color. And Young didn't want to be with everybody else, you know. He set up like a mile away from everybody. He wanted some privacy over here, you know. Oh dang, you didn't put the, did you put a cover over?
Nah, that was too high. Fell off.
He wanted to see the stars last night and shit, you know.
I didn't even use my inflatable air mattress. I slept on the ground.
Was it rough?
Huh?
Was it rough?
Nah.
It looks softer over here than our area.
I love this tent, man.
Oh, that's nice color, dude.
It just fucking pop. I know it's like brown, but it just pops up in the heartbeat. What's up?
Yeah, it's the color. Day 2 is gonna be a lot of riding. Start from Jerry Lake all the way to Belden.
That's my baby lizard.
Oh damn, baby lizard!
Yeah, my baby lizard.
Fresh new tat. Hey Kuya, can you tell me about your experience yesterday riding by yourself on the freeway?
What's up?
How was your experience riding by yourself from Bakersfield? Was it hot, cold?
It was hot. It was very hot.
Mr. Baba Breakdown.
Bumper breakdowns back again. Yeah, yesterday's ride was pretty tough, I would say. It was 109 all the way here, but I made it. I probably lost 5 pounds.
Tell us what happened. Your side of the story.
My side is I was doing some new stuff to the bike. Took out the wheel. The spacing was off. Then it was wobbling. Then we got to go back and redo the spacing. It took me about 3 hours. Then it took me another 4 hours to get to these guys. It was hot. And I had some breakdowns. Hey, you shut up. Go suck a toe.
Hey man.
He's
Hey
interviewing
man.
me, man.
It's a kids channel, dog. No toe sucking, all right?
We're not toe sucking. That's what we do. Yeah, so that dude fucking crazy, dude.
But yeah, long story short, he fixed it and then he met up with us, you know. That's what matters.
And I had some crazy breakdowns coming here.
Almost died.
Yeah.
Almost got hit and shit.
Starter wire came off. My brake lever, brake cam, my fucking shifter.
Oh, you lost the fucking brake pedal.
Then this came off while I was riding. My axle nut came loose. I felt like a shimmy. I was like, oh, God.
So what do we learn, kids? Lock tie everything and don't build shit last minute, all right?
Yeah, don't do it. Trust me, don't do it. It's fun, don't do it.
It looks fun, but it's not, you know? You gotta prepare this shit.
That's what happens when you build it 3 days before you gotta go. And no shakedown. Let's go, we made it.
Yeah. Well, we'll do a full feature for this bike soon. He's gonna paint it all pink, so
Yeah, damn right.
sparkle pink.
Little sparkles, you know? Stars and stuff too. Do the whole shebang.
How do you like your tent though?
Cool. Works.
Whoa, look at this mirror. It's a mirror on a mirror. Mirrorception. This is Alvin's bike. So the cool thing about this camp spot is that the restroom's right there. So we don't have to shit in the woods. All packed up and ready to go. Try to fish today?
I need a new freaking reel handle. Did you see?
Weapon.
That fell off when we were riding. We got down to the water.
Oh shit.
There's fish down there though.
Fish? You said the fish?
And we didn't fish much, so they're still down there.
You can catch them all?
How's riding the Sportster day one?
It's good. I mean, no complaints. It's like you don't have to worry about anything breaking down.
Does it make you want to get a Harley now?
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh damn!
That's the first time you ever admitted that.
It's cool.
It's cruise your bike.
Yeah, I mean that too.
Abandon that project.
No, no,
I see you on a Sportster, bro.
no.
I know. I can see him in Chopper Sportster. Easy, man.
Yeah.
Easy, man.
Easy, man.
Easy, dog.
You just need to gain some weight, dude.
I need these CB boys with duck.
Oh shit! What's this hack right here, dude?
Dude, so if you don't want to wear a long sleeve, you just get one of these UV sleeves and you still are fresh and cool and you don't get burnt. I went to Virginia City and I only got a tan from here to here because my shit rose up. You guys can't really see it because my tats, but
So what I did.
Oh shit! Let me see the knife, fool.
So the seal has a
check this out, bro.
in there.
Nice
Damn.
blade, thick. You got the little end here, the hammer, blah, blah, blah. You can make some tinder. You know, swipe left, swipe right.
Where can we get it?
Amazon.com, baby, sponsor us.
Oh damn! How's your new bike?
Bro, compared to the old Nightster I had, this thing it's on rails. It rides so nice. The suspension on it's really good. I mean, I can't complain, dude. There's a couple of things that I did to it from the last road trip that I went on last week to make things a little bit better. I had one of those cafe fairings that came
Show
with
us,
the bike.
man. Show us.
So I ended up picking up this Memphis Shade. And so the Memphis Shade blows the wind over my face instead of into my face because I was riding like this. That was horrible. So now it's a lot more comfortable. We got the Bassani 2-to-1s. First mod because it sounded like ass from the factory. It sounded like this here, like the Jetsons.
And then my
Like that. Put the little GIF there. You know, the little.
So it sounds like a man now.
Yeah, I sound like a man now. And I got these saddlebags, Amazon.com, and then I changed up the seat to a Saddleman. After all those miles, it's very comfy now. When I first got it, it was hard. Now it's hella comfy, dude.
You broke it in pretty much.
Broke it in.
Oh damn! New helmet.
New helmet, you know? Oh, got the Pack Talk Slim. This thing is clutch, man. If you guys ever wonder, like, yo, is it worth it? Hell yeah, it's worth it.
But what is it?
So basically, it's a Bluetooth. It comes with JBL speakers. You can link it up with other devices, and you guys can talk to each other on road trips. Because I have like the bigger bike, I have the phone mount. I'm usually like in the back or in the front, so it's easier to talk to, like, you know, people in the chain. The music's actually pretty loud on here, but not loud enough where you can't hear surrounding noise. But yeah, it works out really well. I love it, and I call and talk to my mom, you know.
That's new too, huh? The gauge mount?
Yeah, so this is a gauge mount from Harry Customs. Usually the gauge mount sits
It's a
here.
3D printer, huh?
Yeah, it's 3D printed. So I got the Thrash and Risers because the original stock location for this was on top of here, and it was hella ugly and you can't really change out your riser. Got this from Harry Customs. It just bolts right into the stock location. And then these are the stock bars also. And then I just did the Thrash and 6.5-inch risers with their Thrash and bar bag.
Cute, dude. All right, that's it.
That's the same one.
Over here we got the OG Chip OG Russ Mammy. Just kidding. Russ Daddy.
You don't want to film this shit, man.
Big step on tools.
Don't say that, man. You represent for all the metrics out there.
You got a duck over there?
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right.
Misaligned wheel. Basura.
Don't forget to wear your sunblock, kids. Turn around. Let me see.
This guy's a ghost.
If you're Filipino, I'm the aswang.
All right, we're about to get ready to head out. We got a long ride today.
But we get pickled eggs. So that's our prize.
It's gonna be your first time at Belden, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, you're gonna love it, bro. I'll show you where Sun laid down and did snow angels while looking at the stars. I'll show you the spot. And I'll show you where Taw lost his keys, that dumbass.
Don't go in front of dumbass.
And then I'll show you where I threw up.
All the great spots.
Yeah, all the great spots. That's so fucked. It was Dad's fault, bro. Motherfucker gave me 151, man.
How's your bike running, dude?
You know, always good.
Always good.
Always good. It's running good.
This guy has a special badge. We usually give out badges. He has the second motor badge, right? So
Yeah, second motor badge.
he rolled so hard, but the first one blew.
Yeah, riding hard.